In the realm of WWE 2K24's online multiplayer mode, troubleshooting potential fixes is key. Firstly, ensure a stable internet connection by checking and, if necessary, restarting your router or modem. Secondly, verify the integrity of the game files through your platform's options to rule out any corruption. Thirdly, keep the game updated with the latest patches for bug fixes and network enhancements. Should you encounter server issues, consult online forums or the developer's website for known issues and possible fixes. If your connection issue is resolved, you can try finding a new match with hopefully stable connections. If not, it might be due to server problems or a game bug. You can continue playing versus AI for practice or testing strategies, but for competitive online experiences, it's best to leave and try again later when issues are resolved. Additionally, seek tips from online forums or communities dedicated to WWE 2K24 and consider reporting the problem to the developer to aid in future updates. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for smooth online gameplay, so troubleshooting and staying updated are essential to avoid encountering similar issues in the future.